Sakafete. Hi guys, I'm Roman. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make some pasta with shrimp, but I'm going to make it like an Asian style. If you want to see how I do this, guys, keep watching. Okay, let's get cooking. I'm using this pasta. I really like this brand. I don't know why. It cooks really well and it holds up really good in when you do like a stir fry. I'm just going to do about 2 cups. I don't want to make too much. Some water here. It's already salted, so I just cover it up and I'm going to let it come to a boil. Everything else, I'm going to be cooking it in my electric skillet. It holds, my vegetables stay really nice. They stay crispy. They don't get soft too quickly. So I like that about this. I'm going to use some shrimps. These already have some seasoned salt on them. I like my Goya seasoned salt, so I use that on there, the one with the black pepper already in it. So while this is boiling, I'm going to turn this on, get it hot, and I'm going to fry the shrimps. I'm going to add some oil. Just kind of cover the bottom. And I'm using sunflower oil. It's very light, it's not heavy. Okay, so you see it's boiling. And I'm not going to measure, but I would say that's about 2 cups. So I'm just going to pour it in here. In the comment section, just let me know what you like, how you do your stir fry. You know, it's always nice to hear from you guys and, you know, just to get some feedback. I'm just learning as I go along, so. And thank you guys, all of you who have left suggestions and, you know, on the other videos. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is cooked. You can see they all nice and pink. And to all my subscribers who have been with me from day one and those who have come along, I really appreciate you. And thank you so much. I'm going to put my onions in here. Don't need to wash it. You use the same oil that I fried the shrimp in. Want to check the pasta. This pasta, look at that. Doesn't take long. I need to put some of this red onion in there as well. So now I'm going to put a little bit of ginger. Not too much, just for a little heat. Now garlic, I put a lot of garlic, more. Well, not too much, but about a teaspoon. Okay, I'm going to whip that up. So I have some green peppers, just all the colors, green, yellow, red, orange. So while that's cooking, I'm going to drain my pasta. I'm going to add some fish sauce, just a few drops. I'm going to add my pasta to that. You can have that with anything you like. I'm going to add just a bit of oyster sauce, just a teaspoon. I'm doing it so the vegetables are still a little crunchy. And now I'm just going to add the shrimps to it. And that's it. Dinner in no time at all. Guys, I forgot my green onions. Once it's cooked, you just add the green onions to it, okay? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. And here you have it, guys, our delicious Asian style stir fry with shrimp. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have yourselves a great day and God bless.